What's up guys, it's Lisan Bradshaw and today we get another review video on a phone. This time the phone is from Gazelle and it's an iPhone 13. So here's the box. It's not super big, but like it's not tiny either. So let's open it up. And inside, first thing is they give me like a thank you slip with a 10% trade-in bonus coupon, which is not going to be worth it because their trade-in is terrible, but got that. And then an activation type of slip. There's some instructions on there. They want you to follow these instructions. I've done this plenty of times, so I don't usually read through this. And then here is a USB lightning cable. And it doesn't come with the wall plug, but most of you should have that if you have an iPhone or Android or any type of phone. So it came with that. And under this packaging is great because they got these gray foam things, really nicely packaged. And they got same thing underneath here. But I'm gonna throw that box to the side, and here's the phone, just in a plastic bag. I gotta be more careful. So again, I set it up already, but looking at it, the back is in great condition. Camera is really nice. Man, my focus is not doing great, but yeah, here's the camera, Apple logo, everything. So great condition on the back. Side bezels look totally fine as well. So there's that, and then the edge or the bottom, the ports and everything are clean. A lot of times with used phones, there's a lot of dust particles and stuff, but this looks pretty clean. There's no chips and stuff on the SIM tray thing. It's having a hard time focusing. There it is. And then volume buttons seem to work just fine. I don't know if you can hear it, but they're working just fine. And there's no like sand or anything in here. The do not disturb button. So there's that. And then again, top is really clean. And then the other side is just fine as well. And then here's the display. It's super clean. Nothing wrong with it. There are the tiny little scratches on there, which I mean are really tiny, or you can't really notice them at all. If I turn it off, like you can't really see them at all. So yeah, screen is in great condition. And now we're gonna open it up, and then go into settings and scroll down to battery health, and it's at 100%. So that's also really good. And then go into general and about. Shows you that it's the iPhone 13. You want to make sure that's the right model, 128 gigabytes. And then it's SIM locked to AT&T. One thing I was worried about was when I put in the IMEI onto the AT&T website. It said it was a Samsung, like a weird model of a Samsung phone, which is not what it is. I mean, but I put it on two other sites, and it said that it was an iPhone 13. So, and it's not blacklisted or anything, so that's good. But for some reason, AT&T, the carrier, doesn't seem to know what phone it is. I did put this SIM card in. It's an AT&T SIM card, and it seemed to work fine. It said no service because I don't use AT&T, but it took it as a carrier. Like the phone didn't like reject it, basically. Like it didn't say that it had to, like this carrier isn't compatible. So it works with AT&T. I just wanted to double check. But yeah, this phone seems to work great. We can test the camera out a little bit. Just make sure the camera works. So taking a picture and then checking it out. Looks just fine. So nothing wrong. It's a pretty short video, but yeah, it doesn't seem like there's anything wrong with it. But other than that, guys, that's about it for the video. Hopefully I hope it was helpful. Hope you got something out of it. But again, if you have AT&T and you want to save some money, I think Gazelle is probably the best place for you to get a used phone. They got good deals. Seems like they send you good phones. This came out to be great. 100% battery life and no scratches on the screen. Camera works. Everything works. Look, it seems to be a brand new phone. So it was a great deal for $387 plus tax and shipping came out to be about $403. So I thought that was a good deal. I did get a discount code too, a $20 off discount code. If you want me to put that in the description, I'm just gonna put that code in the description just so that people can find it. But again, hope you guys have a good, evening. I'll see you guys in the next video.